How to prevent app downloads on your iPhone without deleting or hiding the App Store. Here's a simple way to do it using screen time. Start by opening the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap Screen Time. If Screen Time isn't already enabled, tap Turn on Screen Time and follow the setup process. For extra security, you can also create a Screen Time passcode so no one else can change these settings. Next, tap Content and Privacy Restrictions and turn the feature on. Then select iTunes and App Store purchases. Tap Installing Apps and choose Don't Allow. Once this setting is enabled, users won't be able to download new apps from the App Store, but the App Store itself will remain on the device. If you ever want to allow app downloads again, simply return to the same setting and change Installing Apps back to Allow. This is a great option for parents, shared devices, or anyone who wants to prevent accidental app installations while keeping access to the App Store. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more iPhone tips, tricks, and how-to tutorials.